In China, the field of sheet metal processing equipment is dominated by JUGAO CNC Machine Jiangsu Company Limited, which is known as the Bellwether. JUGAO was established in 1960, and at the present time, the factory occupies an area of 70,000 square meters, with a potential annual output value of $30 million. It is important to point out that the company's area of expertise is in the production of high-end sheets of metal processing equipment such as CNC bending machines, CNC laser cutting machines, CNC pipe bending machines, and CNC plate rolling machines. Our company is dedicated to the research and development of cutting-edge technology for sheet metal processing equipment, and we have been working closely with prestigious universities in Germany, Japan, and the United States for a considerable amount of time. In addition, all of the drilling and milling machines that we utilize in the manufacturing and processing of our products are from Germany and Japan, respectively. Furthermore, the sheet metal processing equipment that we have is held to the highest standards of quality, thanks to the implementation of the 5S management system that we employ in our manufacturing. JUGAO has been recognized as a product that does not require a national inspection for sheet metal processing equipment and has been given the Gold Award by the China Machinery Association for 3 years in a row, beginning in 2019 and continuing through 2021. JUGAO was given this award because it has been recognized as a product that does not require a national inspection for sheet metal processing equipment. JUGAO is able to provide convenient and professional service support to customers located anywhere in the world at any time, thanks to its worldwide sales network and comprehensive after-sales service system. Additionally, JUGAO is the designated supplier for the Japan Association of Processing Equipment for the window and door industry. In the future, JUGAO will remain committed to establishing long-term partnerships with clients, and our superior sheet metal processing equipment and services will produce exceptional value for our clients. Aiming for the best and running towards the future is our aim and slogan. JUGAO CNC Machine Jiangsu Company Limited is looking forward to cooperating with you.